get what? You wait on sell 5 liters. You not go let me rest. If you knock 5 o'clock, I know sell petrol. Only me one go enter this road and begin cash people to sell for every day they go pay. My friend. How much you want to talk and I make a programmer?
Uncle, please give me a bottle, 15 Arab.
Chai! Half bottle?
Yes, Uncle.
So where you carry this big rubber they go?
I want to carry and go fish.
You want fish?
Okay. Thanks for watching that funny Live Nation Entertainment comedy. I hope you like it. You can watch us on Monday and on Friday. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay.
Yo, man. Please don't forget to share that video. Share it to everybody you come across in this your very life. And we Live Nation Entertainment, we are wishing you a very, 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 very big Merry Christmas. Please celebrate with everybody. We are celebrating our own year with very, 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 very big eyeglass. So see you on Friday, see you on Monday, see you every day. Subscribe, share the video, go to church, pay your tithe. Pray very well.
They don't mean tight, you always wear. Pay your real tight money.